Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add PDF to Google Sheets cell. At some point, you realize you want to attach a PDF inside Google Sheets, and then you notice there's no obvious Upload File to Cell button, which feels a little misleading. The workaround I use is pretty simple. First, I upload the PDF to Google Drive. That's where the file actually lives. Once it's uploaded, I open it, hit the three dots, and grab the shareable link. Then I jump into my spreadsheet, click on the cell where I want the PDF, right click, and choose Insert Link. I paste the link, hit Apply, and now that cell basically becomes a clickable shortcut to the PDF. It's not embedded like an image, but it works cleanly. You can rename the link text to something like View PDF so your sheet doesn't look like a mess of long URLs. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.